a whole course on Google My Business. But here's the overview. With Google My Business, you can sign up with Google to display your business on search engines, especially when your audience, people searching for you, are near or close to you. So with Google My Business, you get to put your business on Google Map. You get to include your business on Google listings, business listings around you. So when people search for things like plumbers near me, if you're a plumber and you are using Google My Business, that means your business pops up, the location, the address, the contact details, your opening hours. These are all the features you find with Google My Business. So if you are a business, part of your SEO strategies, your tricks and acts should be to use Google My Business. With Google My Business, there's no way you can be found on search engine, especially by those that are near you, those living near you. These are SEO tricks that I've been using for a lot of businesses, and I believe it will work for you also. List